All right, so we continue. We are asked to select a histogram. So let's go and do that and see what will be of our chart. This is where I have my histogram. So here, it means that we are done with it. So this is what we are asked to do. Done and dusted. Let's continue with other things. So we'll go to our slides and then take instructions from there. So from here we move forward. Now we are looking at access by region. We are asked to import the regions CSV, which is part of the zip folder that we downloaded. So we are going to import it into a new sheet. Let's go quickly and do just that. And then we take the rest of the instructions that we have. So let's come here. Go to import, file first, and then you go to import. Now, at the import, it leads you straight into your Google Drive. So where did I put I put it in integrated project part 2. And then we are looking for the regions CSV. So this is where we have it. I double click and then it shows up. Now, here, watch this space. You have to select insert new sheet and leave this one, import. Okay, so here we have our region sheet have been inserted beautifully, and you can see from here we have the name and then the region. So Afghanistan is in South Asia, Albania is in Europe, and Central Asia, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. Now, what are we asked to do with this region? We are asked to add a new column to the original data set called region. So we are going to insert a new column called region and then use any of the lookup functions to add the region based on the country name. So we are going to do also that. Let's go and do that. Okay, so we'll go to my worksheet. You know where you are also doing your work. Now you will realize that when you come here, I've already inserted the column and I've named it region. I brought it closer to the name so that and that's where the action is. I always like to bring it where the action is, not far away, so I'll be moving left and right of the worksheet. Okay, so now let's look at the formula. Now I choose to use the VLOOKUP. I choose to use the VLOOKUP simply because I see the data that we are going to work with is arranged in this vertical order. Okay, so you can see the name in this vertical order along the column, and then the region also along the column, just like that. So let's go into it and then see what we have there. So here, let's see what the formula is saying, and then we understand it. So the VLOOKUP, just like the VLOOKUP has 3 or 4 sessions or elements. The first one refers to the search key. So my search key is A2 in my worksheet. Okay, and then this is where I have my range of values. And I've used absolute referencing. There's a reason why. The next is the index. So where do you want it to pick the data from? Let me explain that in the next video real quick.